Welcome to my channel. My name is Brigitte. We are a homeschool family, and today we're gonna have a box day. We are gonna go through our fourth grade curriculum. We follow Masterbooks. Basically, it's gonna be our 5th year with Masterbooks. We started since kindergarten, and this year my son gonna start 4th grade. Let me show you. These are all the books that we're gonna work with this year. This is it. So it's quite a pile here. So let's go through first the language lessons for a living education. It's a thick book. It's already, what I like about it, it's already, there's a 3-hole punch. So usually I take it apart, putting it in a binder, and then using a clipboard daily, so we can just go through easily, working page by page instead of grabbing this huge book every single time. So we're just grabbing the daily work. At the beginning, you're gonna have the suggested daily schedule, and it's a 5 days suggested schedule. I'm gonna show you just an example. So I'm gonna just pick one lesson right in the middle. I'm gonna just show you how it looks like. Let me show you like that. So we're gonna have a story, and then a question right there underneath, so comprehension. And then let's go memorization. I'm gonna just show you that you have an idea instead of just looking the first pages on the website. So let's just pick in the middle and see how the lesson looks like. Now grammar is also 2 pages. I'll just show you examples. That was one lesson, and in the back we're gonna go right to the back. Okay, spelling words. On the in 3rd grade we had, on the 5th grade we always had new words to study. Spelling practice looks like this year too. So on the day 5 you're gonna have new words to learn how to spell, and then in the end there's spelling words. Every lesson looks like, and all the new words that you needed to learn and how to spell it. So it says spelling words. And where is the grammar? Oh, it's starting right there. So if you need to look up something, it's gonna be in the back. Several pages. So it's really good. You can also keep it for next year. We usually do keep these when they adding new grammar. Then we're keeping those. And then of course the answer key is also in the back. So for the language lessons for a living education, every lesson in the 4th day you're gonna have reading comprehension, and you're gonna need this book. This is 101 favorite stories from the Bible, and we started grade 3 grade 4 continues, and I believe grade 5 also. So looks like this is where we are currently. So in the 3rd grade, we finished right there. So we're gonna continue 4th grade. As I mentioned, every 4th day, every lesson, and this is it. After you read one story, you're gonna have you need to write down parts from the book. Yeah, and that's it. We're gonna continue with math. Again, we're working with a thick book. Let's look up the schedule. Again, a 5-day suggested schedule. So you can just tear this apart and then just follow where you guys are. Put there the date. And again, let's pick right there in the middle a lesson. Already lesson 20. So there's a story to read. 2 pages story. 2nd page. Just give you an example how it is. And what I'm showing here for you, that's the it's a full lesson, 5-day lesson. And on the top it says day 3, day 4, so you can easily follow which one you need to do. And then day 5, ending it right there. And if you like, you can combine days if your child is gets it easily, and just combine more lessons. And in the end, it should be also the manual, the answer guide. Okay, and then for the math, usually we buy an extra practice makes perfect, an extra booklet. It's probably half of the thick as the actual book. So this is how thick it is, and the other one probably half of it. We like to purchase this since kindergarten just to have extra practice. And in this one has also quizzes, every quarterly quizzes. Okay, and at the beginning usually it's review for 6 weeks, I believe. So I'm gonna pick lesson 15. So let me just show you an example, lesson 15. You can stop the video and then check it if you're more interested to look at longer the pages that I'm showing you. So that was one lesson. And then in the back again, the answer guide